Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Computer Skills and I'm your friend Omkar. So in the previous video we have learned about the insert tab, and if you remember in that video I told you that for the picture and for the video formatting I will make one another video. So this is that video. So in today's video we will learn about the picture and video formatting. So now let us begin. Let me remove this. Let me delete this shape. Okay. So when first we have to click on the picture and you will see the format tab over here. You have to click on the format tab. Then you will get a very popular option, that is remove background. So you can press on it and then you can remove the background. You can see the purple color, this the purple color which is highlighted with the purple color. When you will say keep changes, the purple color portion will be removed from the picture. And if you want some changes more, for example the something you can see a leaf, I want this leaf. So how you will include that? For that see here, mark areas to keep, mark areas to remove. Okay, so now when I will say mark areas to remove, this area will be gone. For example, I have to remove this flower. Just keep hold by pressing the click option on the mouse. Move the pen and see the flower get removed. Now, for example, I have to bring this leaf again. I will bring it with some minor adjustments. Okay. Now let me bring this flower again. You may see that some portion is not coming, so you have to do that arrangement. Okay. Now when I will say keep changes, you will get the flower in this way. You can see. Now let me undo to get the original shape. Now here I will say discard all changes. Okay. Now corrections. The second option is corrections. In this correction you can see the brightness and contrast level. You can adjust that from here as you want. So this is the sharpness and softness. You can adjust that also from here. This is the brightness and contrast. Picture correction options, there are also more options. Now this will again take me to the formatting tab. So for format picture you can see this picture corrections, sharpness, softness. There are also presets of that. You can also customly do the sharpness from over here. You can see as I am moving the cursor, the sharpness is changing. You can also do that from here, or you can customly write that, say 50 and say enter. You can see, right? Now again if I have to bring to normal level, I can decrease this from here. I can say 0. It will again come to its normal. Now again these are the same. Now these are again the presets of brightness and contrast. Picture color. Picture color we will see afterward. Now this is only the picture color. So you can see color saturation. Here are color saturations which you can apply from here, whichever you want. Then color tone option, where this is for the artistic effect. Recolor, black and white, there are many. You can see more variations, more variations you can see. You can change it. Let me undo. Then set transparent color. You can see very small options are given. Then picture color option, that is from here. So now let us again see some more options which are here. Temperature, you can increase the temperature from here, or you may decrease also that. You can see the simultaneously changes happening to the picture as I am moving my cursor from the various options. Then cropping, we will see this afterward. Okay. These are now again picture styles. You can see one frame is appearing. So this is for basically the frames. You have more frames. Click on this. You will get some more frames from here. Picture border. You can also custom this select the picture border. From here you can then increase its weight, or you may also add the dashes. Picture effect. Now these are the same picture effect for the shapes which we saw on for the shapes. These are the same. Picture layout. Now this thing you may see here how the layout has changed, right? So this is for when you make your presentations with these smart art tools. Okay. So now we will see alt text. Now this is something at the professional level. I will show you that afterward. Now this is about how you can see how will you describe the object and its context to someone who is blind. So this is for the people with disability. So this is not now required. Bring forward. So these are the arrange options. If you remember, in the home tab, in the arrange, you will see bring forward and backward. So as I told you in the previous lecture, all the common formatting options are provided over here. So these are only the align option. Align again, this is from the arrange, from the home, rotate. Again same, section plane. Sorry, selection pane. Selection pane also I have shown you. Now this is something important, crop. So you can click on icon to directly, if you want to crop the object, you can just click on this icon, and then you have to not enter, but you have to click anywhere on the slide and the pictures get cropped. So just remember, you have to not enter, you have to click at anywhere. Now when you will click on this crop, you will get more option. You will see crop to shape. Here are many shapes also provided. You can crop in this shape. Let me show you one. Let me select this. See, again let me show you something. Select this smiley face. See, okay. Now aspect ratio, you can also set that by ratios. Here are many ratios. Then fill. Sorry, it was something. Okay, fill. Now I can again adjust that. Okay, it is fill and fit. These are the basically cropping options only, nothing more. Now This is the most important thing, height and width. Now you can customly adjust the height and width of not only pictures, not only video clips, but also of shapes. Now, for example, if I included one shape, see I included one shape. Now many a times you may making infographics or any other thing, and you want a perfect shape or perfect square. How will you decide that this is a square, right? So for that you want something values to be put in. So this is the height and width tab which is in the format tab. So you what you will do after inserting the shape, go in format, and then from your height and width give the required height and width. Now say I want to make this a square, so I will select and text 5 centimeter, then press enter. Again here I will say 5. You can see now this is a perfect square. So from here you can change the values of height and width. Similarly you can also do that for the pictures. You can also change. Now let me again say 10 centimeter height and width also 10 centimeter. But you can see when I say the width 10 centimeter, the height gets changes. So why this happen? Because the picture itself is in the rectangular form. So when the picture is in a rectangular form, it will not automatically change its value. But you have to click on this arrow and you have to make that so it will not change from here. Okay. Now let's see for the video. You can see here. For when I click on the video, two tabs get open. Format tab. So this format tab is basically common for you, and the playback tab. So we will see the both. So this is the play option. This is only the play option. Correction. So we have shown the correction, water correction. Color, we have shown the color. Poster frame. Frame, now you know what are the frame. You can also select some frames. Image from file. Now I don't have such image. Reset design. Now if you have format some corrections and then you have to press for reset design and it will be get reset. Again you will find frames from here. Then again from more you will find some more. Video shape. Now we know video shape. When I will click, the video shape will change. Again video border, that is also we know now. Video effect, this also we know now what is that. Alt text, I have told you about this something. Selection pen, now if there are many videos or something, then for the selection pen. Align we know, rotate also we know, crop also we know, height and width, these two also we know. Now let's move toward the playback. Same option, play and pause. Add bookmark. Now for this video we can add bookmark or remove bookmark. Trim video. Now from your trim video you can also trim the video. Now I know you, I hope you know all what is trimming of video, that is to reduce its duration and only select the important part from the video. After trimming you can say here okay. You will see the red part. You have to trim this video from here. Bring how much video you want. You can also get from here. You can change the trimming from here also. You can see the start time, this is for the green, and end time, this is for the red. This red stop. Now I will say okay, and this much only get trim, but I want to not trim this video, so I will say cancel. Fade duration. So now you can also do this fade duration options. Fade out, fade in volume option, high, medium, low, you can select the volume from here. Start in click sequence automatic. Now this is about the presentation. That means when I will open the presentation, now the option is in click sequence. So let me show you. When I will open this presentation, when I will click, at that time only this video will get on. So this is mean by click sequence. Now again we'll go in playback. Now let us say automatically. Now let me go on first slide. Now I will scroll down to go to the second slide and see the video get automatically on without clicking on it. So this was automatically. Why this happened automatically? Because we selected such option. See, we selected automatically. Now when click on, let us also see this. Now this will again not get open because this is the same to the first option when click on. So basically when click on and in click sequence are the same option, but if there are multiple videos, then this sequence is appropriate here in click sequence. Play full screen. When this will be applied, now let's see what happens when I will say play full screen. See, when I click on the video, what happens? Entire screen get covered by the video. So this is known as play full screen. Now if you want to remove this filter, you can remove. Hide while not playing. So this video will get hide while not playing. So now let's see what this mean. Again I will first enable. So I have just enable this option. Now I will go in presentation. You can see the video is hide, right? See, when I click, the video get appear. So this is mean by hide while not playing. So these are the filters. Loop until stop, rewind after playing. Now what happens sometime, we want the video to be played continuously without interrupting. That is when it will start one, again you have to start it again. So I don't want it. I want that video should be rewind after playing. So I will click on this loop until stop. That also means same, it will also get again playing. See, repeat the audio or video clip until it is stopped. So until you don't stop the video, it will get playing again and again. So this is loop until stop. And rewind after playing, that means once you started a video, it will be repeating only. It will not stop until you change the slide. Now last option, insert captions. You can also insert captions. Well, for that you may require a file. I don't have such. So this is something again at a professional level, but also basic. Okay. So I don't have caption file, so that why I cannot show you that. So this was all about the video and picture. So now there is again one assignment for you, but not right now. In the next video, something special. So till then, practice on this, how to insert a video, how to then how to format the picture. Okay, then also for shape, you can go from here and you can customly do this shaping tool. Okay, so till then, bye and thank you for watching this video. And please subscribe and like to my YouTube channel and my videos, because this motivates me and helps me to create some more informative videos, and it will also beneficial to you as my videos will reach to you. Thank you.